Kinsley, we need to shave my dog. Should shed right. Yeah.
There's one up in that trees with its antlers too. You see, Judy? What?
Oh, you mean?
Yeah. An elk up in the tree, like not in the trees.
Yeah, that's what it sounds like.
Up in the
But I figured
tree area.
I figured it was some other animal.
No, it's just my communication skills.
It is some right in there. There was one before.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to say. Wasn't coming out right. He's up in the trees.
That almost looks like a moose.
Yeah.
Oh, he is cool.
We gotta go see some different animals.